I've just discovered a real and legitimate way to earn $80 of real PayPal money every 3 minutes. You too can do this and start earning money as soon as possible using Userlytics.com. Last week, I asked my subscribers what their preferred payment method is. The majority said that they preferred getting paid through PayPal. Some of you guys are still having doubts about making money online. Some are asking me, how is it possible to make PayPal money online? Questions like, how do you do it? You don't have to worry, that's exactly what I want to share with you in today's video. The first thing you need to do is set up and create your PayPal account. So visit paypal.com and set up a free account by clicking this button over here. Just provide the required details and log into your PayPal account, and if you don't want PayPal, you can set up and create your bank account online for free. Next, you will need a mobile phone. You can use your Android or your iPhone, and if you don't have a mobile phone, you can use your personal computer. I'll show you how to sign up for a free account, and I'll show you a real-life example in this video. This is by far some of the easiest ways to earn PayPal money right now for free, and this works from anywhere in the world. And make sure you don't miss out on all the bonus tips that I'm going to share with you throughout the entire video. The website I will be working with today to earn $80 per 3 minutes is Userlytics.com. When you scroll down to the bottom of this website, you'll see a link that says, Be paid to participate. You'll go ahead and click on this link, and once you click on that link, you're going to be directed to this page where you'll see Get Paid to Websites and Apps. Don't worry, you can do this on your phone, you can do this on your laptop, and this is very easy. Step number 1, you have to register for free. I'll show you all the step-by-step instructions. Step number 2, you have to interact with a website or mobile app. I'll show you a real-life example in just a moment. Step 3, you can get paid via PayPal. As you can see here, for every single project that you complete, you can earn between $10 and $30. Now, as you can see here, some of the projects even pay you as much as $100. I want you to keep on watching this video because I will show you my secret on how you can get paid so much more money. And of course, this opportunity is available in all countries worldwide. I want you to comment down below in the comments section and let me know your country of residence so that I can create more videos in the region in the future. Before I proceed, I want to make sure that you have at least one of these devices. A computer or a smartphone is needed to make money on this website. So right now, if you want to sign up for a free account, you just need to scroll down a bit, enter your email address and click on both of these boxes here and just click on the sign up button. I just want to show you how to do this the right way. You can see here it says your account has been successfully created. Please check your email for your login details. Now, if you don't receive any email in your inbox, please check your spam folder and make sure that your email is correct. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Don't forget to watch till the end because I have other awesome bonus tips that I'm going to share with you. Once you can log into your account, you have to complete your profile. For example, you have to enter your first name, your last name, your mobile device information is also needed. For example, if you're using a mobile phone, you're going to tell them the brand of the mobile phone you're using or the brand of computer you're using right now. Not only that, you need to enter your PayPal email address so that you can get paid in your PayPal account. Once you confirm your email, you would be able to receive different tasks. I just want to give you a demo on exactly how to do this, so take a look at this task. This category is website testing, which means that you have to visit a website. And the website you'll visit right now is Etsy.com. So it's going to take about 5 to 10 minutes to do this, and the payout rate is $100. And don't worry, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process. When you scroll down a bit, you can see that this is step 1. This is your first instruction, and this is step 2, step 3, and so on until step number 4. Now, this is very important if you want to earn PayPal money, so make sure you watch this video until the end so that you won't miss out. Right now, we're going to take a look at step number 1. You have to open a new browser tab using your mobile phone or using your laptop, and then you have to visit Etsy official website using this URL link right here. So all you have to do is just go ahead and click on this link, and then you're going to be directed to the actual website. So right now, we've completed step number 1. Now we're going to proceed to step number 2. Take a screenshot of the homepage of the Etsy official website to prove that you visited the website. So right now, we will visit the Etsy official website and take a screenshot of this page right here and save the picture on my phone or laptop. This is just step number 2, where we just have to take a screenshot to prove that we visited the website. So right now, we can proceed to step number 3. Please search for clothing, women's clothing dresses, and filter the search results based on the following, which you can see here. So right now, let's scroll down a bit. Here you can see that these are all the criteria that we now have to follow to search for these products right here, following the instructions. Now, very important, the reason why they want us to test this is they want to make sure that the customers know how to find their products when they visit this website. So in the instruction, we have to search in clothing, women's clothing category. So right now, when you go back to the homepage of Etsy, you can see here on top, which is clothing and shoes, and right over here, you can see women's clothing. And I want you to go ahead and click on this link, and then you're going to come over to this page, as you can see here. So right now, we have successfully searched for this category. What we can do next is that we have to filter the search results based on the following criteria. So right now, when we go back to the Etsy website, you can see so many different items of clothing and dresses for women. Over the left-hand side, you'll notice that we have different options that we can just click on, and we can filter the results of the dresses. That's why we have to follow the instruction. So right now, as you can see here, for special offers, we have to click on free shipping. Again, we will look for the next criteria, which is ready to ship, in which is on 1 business day. So we will just follow everything in the instruction. We will click on this 1 business day. For the next criteria, which is the price, you can choose any price, and the size as 0. Now when you go back here, we just have to click on any price, and then for the size, click on this one right here. For the clothing style is Gothic, and the dress style is Flapper. So again, when I go back to this website, I'll just click on this for the clothing style, and the dressing style right here. I'll just click on Flapper. Finally, the shop location is Anywhere, and the item type is Vintage. So when you scroll down below, you can see the shop location is Anywhere, and the item type is Vintage. I'll just click on Vintage. So right now, we successfully followed everything on step 3, where we search on the dresses category and we follow all of these criteria. So what we would do is we will take a screenshot of this section right here as evidence that we follow everything on the settings. And finally, on step number 4, please search for this product right here, which is a green sapphire engagement ring, and take a screenshot of the current discounted price. So what I'll do is I'll just highlight the name of the product right here, and I'm just going to click on copy, and I'll go back to Etsy website, and I'll just paste all the keywords right here on the search section, and I'll just go ahead and click on this button right here to search for this product. I'll need to search for this product and take a screenshot. Check this out, this is what we're looking for, which is the green sapphire engagement ring. All I need to do is click on this picture right here, and it will direct me to this page, and I will have to take a screenshot of these photos right here to show them the original discounted price. So that's all I have to do to complete step number 4. This looks very easy to do. You just need about 5 to 10 minutes to complete this. And that's going to pay you $100 by simply browsing and testing on the website. Now you need to complete all of these steps and just take a screenshot to prove to them that you followed all of the instructions. So as you can see here, once you've completed your tasks, they're going to send you your payment into your PayPal account. Do you want to know how you can make money by watching ads? Click here!